Is Spotify not working properly? Or is Spotify missing some options like Spotify Wrapped, for example? So in this video, I will show you how you can fix all of these problems. First of all, we have to make sure that we are not the only one who has problems with Spotify right now. And for this, we just have to go to our Twitter app and search for Spotify. Then go to latest. And now you have to search if Spotify has some problems. As you can see here, Zoe is complaining that it doesn't have the Spotify Wrapped, and many people have issues with Spotify Wrapped right now. And to fix this problem, you can go to your Google Play. This is a really easy solution but helps the majority of people, so make sure to try it. Go to Google Play, search for Spotify, and make sure that your app is updated. Another method to fix your problem is restarting your device. After that, you will have to go to your settings, then scroll down, go to apps, scroll down again until you find Spotify. Click on the app, then click on storage, and now you have to clear the data and the cache from here at the bottom of the page. After that, you will have to uninstall the app if it still doesn't work like you want, and if you have an iOS, you have to offload the app. So guys, if it still doesn't work for you, you just have to comment in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to answer to your questions, to your problems as quickly as possible. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one and for more updates. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.